Hello and welcome to WealthLab. I'm your host Saksham, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the industries screen at WealthLab and the various data points about industries that we capture and how do we find out the leading industries, what is the current trend, a broad image and a broad picture of what is happening across industries in the market. At WealthLab, we have listed all the 2000 stocks into 136 industries and we rank them based on relative strength so that at all points you know what are the leading industries, leading sectors, and leading stocks in the market, and you are always positioned in the right way to take advantage of the momentum. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now we are here at WealthLab and let me quickly take you to the industry screen. Once you click on Explore Analytics, you will see that there is a sidebar. You can click on this sidebar, go to Industry and click on Industry Analysis. Once you go to this page, you will see 129 industries amongst 36 sectors and some key stats and data points about them. This will help you get an overall view of what is happening in the market. When you go to this page, you will see this top WOW or top week over week. This shows which industry gained the most strength versus the last 1 week, and that is refractory, which gained 10 points. The next is top 5W, which is the industry that gained the most strength in the last 5 weeks, which would be annual feeds, as it gained 22.5 points. Then we show momentum as to how many industries are winning versus how many are losing. In totality, we track 35 sectors and 129 industries. Now when you go down, you will be able to see this filter toolbar where all sectors are broad within which there are industries. All 35 sectors are named and ranked based on their relative strength. If you don't know what relative strength is, then you can head over to our courses, and over there you will find a course on relative strength and best ways to use WealthLab. Now coming back to this, you can see that there are all the sectors that are listed by their relative strength ranks. That is, the strongest sector is first, while the weakest sector, which is cement today, is at the last. Now when you look at it, this is what provides a broad understanding, okay, that wires and cables are on top right now, while media, cement, real estate are in the last right now. In the next chart shows you the top 10 industries, narrow industries, and their RS trends as to which one is gaining strength and which one is losing strength. Now if you look at it, animal healthcare was around second or third back in March, but since then it has gained a lot of strength. You see this pink line and has come out to be here. This is how the sector industries analysis helps you understand where the market is trending. Again, you will see that one of the leaders, which is this green one, aquaculture. Aquaculture was leading back in December 2025, and then it was leading for quite some time, but now in recent times it has lost its strength and is now ninth when it comes to its strength. You can toggle between top 10, top 20, top 30. At the same time, if you want to look at a particular sectors, industries, like right now autos are moving or healthcare is moving, we can just click on healthcare and we will be able to see all the industries within healthcare, like animal healthcare, formulations, API, CDMO, branded, generic drugs, hospitals, and how is the relative strength within them. When we talk about healthcare, animal healthcare is the top ranked, while branded healthcare and pharma is at the bottom. This chart easily helps you track which industries within a sector are leading in the market. Now going down, you will be able to see a sector rotation chart. Let me select clear filter and you will see a sector rotation chart. Sector rotation chart tells you if the industries are improving, leading, weakening, or lagging. You can toggle between sectors and industries to see the leading and laggings one. You can show our height tails to see what is the momentum has been. So for animal feed, you will see that it was improving about 5 weeks back, but now it has come into the leading quadrant. For QSR, it has went from weakening to leading and has now started to turn again. You can also see all the leading industries by clicking on leading. You can hide tails and see, okay, these industries are leading. You can see all the weakening ones and you can see lagging and so on. You can also see the industries that are transitioning from weakening to leading. And just at transition, you will be able to see, okay, pharma, CDMO, welding, consumables and QSR have went from weakening to leading in the markets right now. If you want to check a particular industry in particular, you can just go to this drop down and select the industry that you want to check. We want to check hospitals because we have been talking about hospitals, so we will just go to hospitals. We can type it here and you will be able to see that hospitals have started to come down into strength. From weakening it has come to lagging now. You can just show tails and I'll be able to see that it was in weakening and now it is in lagging. This is the trend over the past 5 weeks. It's a 5-week trail and this is what the data shows. Right now we can go forward and we can see the industries RS movers. Over here it shows which industries have gained strength on a weekly basis, also on a 5-week basis. So on a weekly basis, refractory, amusement park, aviation, event management have gained strength, while semiconductors, tiles, road logistics, oleochemicals have lost strength. When we look at 5-week trend, you will be able to see that QSR, animal feed, road logistics, shipbuilding have gained strength in 5 weeks, while pharmacy, cigarettes, amines, water equipment have lost strength in the last 5 weeks. This helps you to understand which industries are gaining strength in the last 1 week or 5 weeks and can be the leaders of the future. Now if you look at 5-week, QSR is gaining strength over the last 5 weeks, but when you go to all sectors, you will see at the top ranked industry is basically distribution and supply chain. Distribution and supply chain is the top ranked, although QSR is the one that is gaining the most strength in the last 5 weeks and has a high chance to get into strength in the future. These industries are losing strength. As you can also see, if you go up and you just select hospitals, not hospitals, healthcare, then you will be able to see that hospitals are actually losing strength. Now if you just turn them on and we go to hospitals, so you will see that hospitals have started to lose strength, and this is similarly present over here as well. Now going forward, you can see all the industries, all 129 industries, sort them based on their relative strength, their stage 2 percentage, that is number of stocks in stage 2 for supply chain and distribution. 80% of the stocks are in stage 2. So all the stage 2 stocks, their ratio versus Nifty 500, that is how are they priced against Nifty 500. You can sort them based on their sectors. So you can see what all is there in defense. So you'll be able to see defense, aerospace and shipbuilding, how are they ranked. Then you can see in auto, how are the various industries within auto performing right now, from OEMs, bearings, tires, ancillaries, etc. You can go to healthcare and you can see various industries within healthcare, how are they performing, what is their relative strength, what is their stage 2 percentage, how are they performing from 1 week and over the last 5 weeks. This is the industry explorer and industry analysis page on WealthLab that gives you a hawk-eye vision of everything that's happening in the market. And remember, you have to always keep it simple. Investing is hard enough. This is the easiest way to get an understanding of what is happening in the markets right now. I hope this video helped, and if you would like to know how to particularly analyze one individual industry like refractory for that example, then we have video on the particular industry as well, which we will cover in the next video. I hope by the next time you see this, there is a tutorial over here that is marked and you can just click on that tutorial and watch that video. Similarly, we have tutorials marked on every video, every page, every channel on WealthLab, like we are visiting this RS screen, and over here you will see that there is a tutorial marked right on top so that you can easily access what this screen represents and you don't have to waste a lot of time. Just click on tutorial and you will be able to watch what exactly this screen represents and how to make the best use of it. Thank you for giving us your time. Hope you have a great time, a great week and a lot of wealth over lifetime. See you again at WealthLab.